Good morning, this is Sherry Lynn for Just Nailed It. Today I'm going to be doing some stamping over my Shimmy Shimmy. I've got my Beauty Big Bang stamper. I'm going to be using two different plates. They're both by Born Pretty. The first one is BP-10. The other plate is BP-23. I'm going to be using white stamping polish by Born Pretty. Also, my black stamping polish by Born Pretty. Also, I'm going to be using a Born Pretty No Smudge top coat. Over that, I will be using my Such Feet. I've had this manicure on for 4 or 5 days. I've got wearing on the tips, but that is it. There's no chipping. It's worn very nice. This is Shimmy Shimmy by Sinful Colors. I've got my sticky stamper. I don't have a scraper. Okay, I'm back. I also have my Big Bang Beauty scraper. Ouch. On this plate, I'm going to be using the starfish and the shell. I think these are really cute designs. I think this is a great plate. It feels like it's etched really nice. And we shall see here in a minute. Beautiful pickup. I'm going to put this on my pinky finger. And you want to have your, lint roller to clean the head of your stamper. And I've got my, I forgot what this is called, my cotton claw. I got this from, I know I got the code from Moon Baby Nails Tina. Check out her page, by the way. I think this is called a cotton claw, and I think it's from Born Pretty. I'm not positive. It's either Born Pretty or Big Bang or Beauty Big Bang. Don't quote me on that, though. Tina does have it in her description box of which it is, though. I'm sorry that I forgot. I'm having a brain fart this morning. There's the seashell. I picked up beautifully. Make sure you line these up right in the middle of your nail. Roll it from side to side. Get a great pickup with it. Get your lint roller. Make sure you clean the head of your stamper and your plate. Oops, I'm going to set this one aside. Get my other plate. These are brand new, so I'm going to clean these. Give them a minute to air dry out, or I'll just wipe it. Yep, these are from Born Pretty. I want to use, I'm not sure what images I want to use. I think I'm going to put this one here on my thumb. The mermaid on my ring finger. And I'm not too sure which for my middle. Oh, I know exactly. This right here on my middle finger. If you can see that, I do really like this plate. I'm going to do this image here for my thumb. Clean this up a little bit. I don't want any extra images. Line this up on your thumb really good. You might want to put liquid latex down. I did not. pretty sure this thing, oh, no, that ain't gonna come off that easily. Definitely have to do some cleanup. Get my cleanup brush out. Clean your stamper. Okay. We are doing the mermaid now. She ought to look really nice with this blue-purple background. When you're picking up your image, in case you've never done stamping before, you want to pick it up really light. The only time you want to apply pressure is when you're putting it on your nail. And we got a good pick up and transfer on that one as well. Hope you're having a great day today. Today's Wednesday. I'm not too sure which day I'm going to post the video. Right now I'm having a giveaway for shemodern.com of water decal. I do have a video up for it, so please check that out. If you would like to enter, please comment in that video, not this one. In my giveaway video, comment, enter me, and put US or international. There is 5 winners for each. I'm sorry, 5 winners for each. 5 US, 5 international. And you get to pick whatever water decal you want. I give you a code. Whoops. And you go to the website and pick out what decal you would like. Clean up your image. You don't want any extra on it. These are palm trees with the starfish. And they're really cute. I really like this plate. I give both of these plates by Born Pretty a thumbs up. Their images pick up and transfer beautifully. Right now I'm going to do some cleanup on my nails and then apply the top coat. And my thumb. Can't forget the thumb. There. There's my manicure. Now I'm going to use the Born Pretty No Smudge Top Coat. Take the cap off. I really like this because I can stamp and put this right over the image as soon as I'm done and it does not smear. Make sure you cap the end of your nails. This is really pretty polished, especially with the white stamping over it. They go well good together. Shimmy Shimmy by Sinful Colors. White stamping polish by Born Pretty. We have a Born Pretty theme going on here this morning. And cap the ends and sidewalls of your nails if your nails are that long to do so. Put this cap back on here. And put this away. This really turned out beautifully. I really like it. There's the image. It's on my thumb. And my fast drying top coat is Sesh Feet. I love this stuff. It works beautifully. It dries like within seconds. Where it's hard and good to go. I get this at Sally's Beauty, or you could order it off the internet. And I am putting this right on top of the No Smudge top coat. Cap your nails with this as well. This is beautiful images here on my nails. I love these plates. I know I already said that. I guess you could call this a review of all my Born Pretty stuff. The majority of my stamping plates are from Born Pretty or Bundle Monster. They do have great plates, great images. And there we go, we are finished. Hope you liked this. Hope you enjoyed the video for today. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment down below. Please click subscribe and the bell next to it so that you get notified of all future videos that I do. Don't forget, I'm giving a giveaway for She Modern. Go find that video. Enter or comment enter me, US or international. 5 winners for each for a water decal of your choice. Have a blessed day. Thank you.